So I came out because I had the red light of doom on the generator. Let's see if it's gonna do it this time. Probably not. Let's see. Super, man. Shouldn't have left this open a minute
That's
ago.
what happens whenever it just pours all of a sudden, and it's like, oh.
Okay, it's not gonna do it now. A minute ago, what it was doing is it would just click. It was giving me the error code 1505, I think, which is RPM signal loss. But all that is that, hey, it didn't start. So we came out, come here, and started messing around, and we have the wires that come into the solenoid. Anthony jumped the solenoid, and we noticed, hey, it spun over perfect. So we pulled this signal wire to the solenoid off and put it back on, and it works.
So what are we doing now?
Now we got to do a maintenance, man, because I need an oil change.
Yes,
and
this is the
air filter change.
Generac Guardian 22 kW.
Yep. I bought a. You can buy the whole kit, maintenance kit, off of Amazon. So I just bought a kit. Came with an air filter, oil filter, a couple jugs of, or a couple quarts of oil. And I think that we can do this all without tools. So we're gonna bust open the air filter loose first and knock that out.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Actually still looks brand new.
Yeah, it does.
But
might as well change it.
might as well change it because it came with the kit. It almost looks cleaner than the one that came with the damn kit. Insane.
What in the world?
I'm saving that just in case. But we'll change it, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So
Does it got any clips, or is it just?
it's got one clip on this backside. That's it. So air filter change is done. On to the oil change. I think we can do this without tools as well. So we're gonna pull this cap. Should be able to. Just kind of put it down like that. Possibly. Can't tell if it's draining or not. Oh, it's draining.
It's draining.
I'm gonna pull this and see if that helps it speed up. Brought rags for cleanup, but a little pre-clean doesn't hurt, huh?
Right.
So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing real quick,
Yep.
huh?
Yeah, it's.
I'm not really doing.
Can you do it? Nope.
Come on there. All right, we are gonna need tools. I gotta go grab a.
All right, let me give it a try.
All right,
Here, hold that.
I might have got the. Maybe if you take the rag and dry it off a little bit too.
Ready?
Sure.
Nope.
All right.
What do we need?
Just a pair of channel locks.
Okay, here, hold that.
Okay. Not a huge fan of this drain. I don't think it's draining out everything that it can. But we'll put new filter on, and then we'll fill her back up, check the oil level, make sure we're good. Had oil on the dipstick before we started this, so I know we're good. We had oil in it.
So, you're either going to need a pair of pliers or an oil filter wrench to get the oil filter off, in most cases. I've never had success hand wrenching, or hand undoing an oil filter.
It was worth a shot.
But that's all you need right there.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Here's where all of our 2 quarts is, right there. Not too big of a mess though. There you go. It's definitely ready for an oil change. Still a little bit of a clear.
Yeah.
A little bit of clear oil.
I don't like the drain on this thing because it didn't want to come out of that. It's not. There's nothing coming out of the darn tube.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and fill this filter up.
Fill it about halfway and then lube your O-ring. Oh yeah. There we go. Lube it up. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And hand tighten.
Perfect.
All right.
Clean all that up the best we can. Really good. All right.
Yep.
Bueno. One more rag for my hands. All right. I'm gonna throw one quart in there. The rest of this quart in there, and we'll check the level on the dipstick.
Sounds good.
Sure doesn't look like a whole 2 quarts came out. I guess I can put this back on now.
Was it low on the dipstick when you checked it?
It was low on there, but it was in the crosshairs still.
Okay.
It was just the bottom of the crosshairs.
Pull your dipstick real quick, see if you got anything on there.
I don't. I already checked.
Okay.
See?
All right. Can he do it without making a mess? He can. Yay!
Pure
They actually made the port big enough to get the.
And it's in a good spot.
Yeah.
So maintenance is pretty easy, I think, thus far. Looks like the back plug would be the biggest challenge, and I don't even think that it's really a challenge per se. 1 quart down. Pretty sure it'll need that 2nd quart. That'd be weird if it doesn't.
Yeah, that would be weird.
I think there's a lot of, if it doesn't, there must have been a lot of oil left in it. But it looks good.
Well, let's
perfect.
we'll crank it up.
And check it again.
Yeah, because you gotta get the oil in the oil filter and all that. So.
Okay. All right. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Can't believe this is the first time this thing's gotten somewhat dirty at all. It got left open during the dang rain that just rolled in really quick. Nah, everything looks good.
Okay.
We're right in the crosshairs. All right.
All right. Do we want to check the plugs or let it ride?
I think we're gonna let it ride.
Yeah, I think so too.
Plugs seem to be fine. It's starting up good. So
Well, I mean, it's, you know, you've used it a handful of times, so it's not like it's got. Does it have that many hours on it?
17,000 is what it's saying.
Huh.
I don't know how many. I don't really know how that works.
Yeah,
I think that's just hours that it sits. That it sits ready to go or whatever. Oh. There's that. Get my meter out, put it back in auto. I think we got a green light, huh?
We've got a green light.
All right, so we have
Ready to go.
spark plugs, and we have an extra quart of oil.
Go and dump that oil filter in the. It looks like it's ready to be changed though.
Yeah, but it's good timing. It's not overdone.
Right. Oh no, it's not black. Yeah, I can still see through it. So.
Yeah, it looked good. All right,
That's it.
that's it.
That's it for the oil change on the Gene AC.
The Gene AC.
The Gene AC. Got
See you
anything
next
else?
time.
All right.